Mrs. Warren made sandwiches for a school activity. She cut each sandwich in half and put all of them on a large plate. There were 18 halves on a large plate. Interesting. What are two ways to represent the number of sandwiches Mrs. Warren made for the school activity? All right, well, 18 halves is one way to write it out. Now, a half is over 2. So 18 halves is 18 over 2. Now, looking at my options, A is a possibility, B is a possibility. C doesn't have that option, so let's get rid of it. Also, D doesn't have that option. Let's get rid of that one too. Now, 18 over 2 also means 18 divided by 2. And I know 18 divided by 2 is 9. So 18 halves can be written as 18 over 2, and 18 over 2 becomes 9 when you do the math. So my answer for this one is going to be A. What they did with B is they gave us 18 over 2, but then they got 16, which they got from subtracting, and that's just not even right. So the only answer that makes sense is A.